This is Math Lesson 2.1, Use Pictures to Show Taking From. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to say to yourself, I can use pictures to show taking from and find differences. So, when we take from a group, we start with our whole group. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 B's. So at the very beginning, we had 4 B's. And then we had some bees fly away. And if I look, here's my arrow that signifies they're flying away, and I'm going to count them. 1, 2. So we had 4 bees, and 2 fly away. And I want to know how many we're left with after the bees fly away. And I want to know how many there are now. So on the flowers still, I have 1, 2. So I have 2 bees still on the flower. So I have 2 bees now. So we started with 4, 2 flew away, and now there are 2 bees. So once again, when I look at this, I have my ladybugs, and I'm going to count how many ladybugs started on the tree. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there were 7 ladybugs. And a few of them decided to fly away off of the tree. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 ladybugs leave. Ladybugs leave. So after our 4 ladybugs leave, remember, we started with 7. 4 of our ladybugs leave. How many do we have left on the tree after 4 ladybugs leave? I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 ladybugs left. Great job. 3 ladybugs left. So, we started with 7 ladybugs altogether. 4 flew away or left, and now we have 3 still on the tree. And probably I'm going to write left on the tree, because they did not leave, they stayed. Let's go to our last example. In our last example, we have caterpillars. Let's count. How many caterpillars do you think there are all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you said there were 6 caterpillars, and I'm going to just write bugs because it's a little faster for me to write bugs. 6 bugs. And how many bugs are crawling away? If you said 2 bugs are crawling away, great job. 2 bugs crawl away. So how many bugs do we have left? I want to know how many bugs are left. We started with 6 bugs altogether. 2 bugs crawl away. So how many bugs are left? If you said 4, great. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bugs are left. Awesome job learning today.